What's up? What's up? Welcome back, LuxAlgo family. My name is Jacob, and we are back yet again, 1 p.m. Eastern, live every single day. Got to make sure, man, the music, man. I'm slacking on the music right now. You saw the top 10 viewers right now. Fame's saying he wants a recount. Fame with a recount. Did you get? Hold up. Were you on there yesterday? Fame, I don't think you've guessed right on the Bitcoin price. I had to double check. I got to double check for you. I'll actually check right now. But guys, welcome back. If you're new to the stream, it's good to see you. Guys, we got Instagram and YouTube yet again. What's up, my family? It's good to see you guys back. Here we go with the golds. You guys and your gold tickers, man. One of these days, we're just never going to look at gold ever again. Now, remember, though, the reason some people have 100 points and maybe you have 9 points and you're thinking, oh, man, I'm way behind. Well, that's only because they guessed the right price of Bitcoin, right? To be higher or lower than the beginning of the stream. So we'll do that in just a sec. You guys can take your vote. Can I check gold? I'm gonna lose it. All right, we're good. It's okay. We're all good. We're all good. But in this case, look at that. There you go. Safa with 118 points in the lead, my friends. Is Safa? He's killing it. Right now, though, we have a very close race going on in our loyalty moves here. So if you're on the stream, you do have a chance to be one of our top 10 viewers of the week. If you're a top 10 viewer, then guess what? You get entered into a separate giveaway at the end of the week and way better odds, right? Instead of 1 out of 100, it's 1 out of 10. So make sure you chat. Yes, I got my haircut, David. Man wasn't here yesterday. Haircut gang all day. About to be the Bitcoin breakout gang all day, baby. Top 10. That's right. You can get the top 10 by getting more points on guessing whether you think that Bitcoin price is going to be more or less than it is currently. Up over there. You guys are on the whatever. But we're going to do that in just a sec. You can vote on the Q&A here in just a moment. But welcome back yet again. We had some interesting moves overnight. As you can see, you know, Bitcoin starting to show a little bit of strength heading for those highs. Ethereum, though, seem to break out, which is really cool. Getting that BOS here on the daily today. So fantastic move so far on Ethereum. Let's see, the ES and the rest of the markets in the US are doing really good today. Gold is just dead. Don't ask about it again. Gold's not going anywhere. All right, Solana, though. Solana is actually bouncing. Even with the network outage yesterday, Solana somehow is back on track. Don't ask me. Don't ask me why Solana is still holding up real nicely. It's good to see, to be honest. But that being said, let me get some other music queued up here so we're not listening to nothing. If I can just click the right thing. Let's see here. What we got? I have my liked sounds and go into this. This is going to be a little aggressive. Hold on. I just know it is. This works. All right. I like starting off with this one. Okie dokie. Solana is looking really strong. Gold's just dead, right? Gold's dead right now. For starting us off, though, let's go back to Bitcoin USD yet again. Guys, remember this Friday, we have to hit 100 likes every stream this week in order to do our $300 giveaway this weekend or this Friday. So make sure you hit that like button. We're at 28 right now. We got to hit 100 by the end of the stream, and we should be on our way. We got one more day after today to get that, right? Now, real quick, guys, the current price of Bitcoin, and this is why you come early, my friends. This is why you come early. The current price of Bitcoin is sitting at 43,455, okay? I'm going to say, will Bitcoin be higher, let's see, or less than, let's see, 434, it's at 38 right now. I'm going to give it one more sec. 43, we're going to say 4330. All right, you have to reply to this Q&A. I'm going to give you 5 minutes to reply to this Q&A. You have a chance to win 100 points added to your profile to enter into a separate giveaway at the end of the week. If you're one of the top 10 viewers, as you can see at the top of the stream here on YouTube, reply to that Q&A. Will Bitcoin be more or less by the end of the stream than 43,430? Okay, right now it's already more, so you might have an easy day. You might have an easy day on that. But yesterday, everybody thought it'd be more and it ended up being less. So we do have enough time here to actually get some decent volatility. So we'll see what happens with that. type in the chat real quick on that one, and I'll give you guys just a minute as we look a little bit Bitcoin here. I mean, and honestly, I will say, to give you a little bit of insight, it did just break out. So, you know, we're in this range, though. We've talked about this range the past few days, and it's still kind of stuck, right? Still stuck in this range, just hitting that upper order block. Could it be more? Could it be less? You guys throwing it in the chat, that's the wrong place to put it in. You have to click the Q&A at the top and put it in the Q&A chat. All right? You got to put it in the Q&A chat, otherwise it will not count. We'll eventually have a better way to do it, but for now, I'm not going to take any of your votes in the normal chat. So make sure, if you are on Instagram, though, if you're on Instagram, you want to enter to potentially get extra points for a special giveaway at the end of the week, then I need you guys to hop into the YouTube live stream. So hop over, my friends. Let's see here. What do we got on the Q&As yet again? We got quite a few things already. I'm going to give you guys just a few more minutes, and we'll hop into the wheel. Actually, while that's happening, guys, while you're replying to that more or less, let's go ahead and let's fill out the wheel. Let's fill the wheel out. Let's do that. You guys know the deal. The wheel of analysis. Yet again, we're going to try to go over new things every single day. So if you have anything you would like to go over today, I'll take some from Instagram as well as YouTube. But if you have anything you would like to go over, put it in the chat, and I will put there the ones that we not necessarily have looked at. I don't think we looked at Avalanche yesterday. We'll start with Carl with Avalanche. I'm gonna try to have better handwriting today. The Euro JPY, the Pound JPY. A mover, MOVR. We haven't looked at that yet. My handwriting's still terrible. Let's see. The chat said Solana. We will go over Solana. You guys know that we'll go over gold, okay? We looked at... Did we look at Mana yesterday, or we looked at Manta yesterday? Let me double check on this. We can look at Mana. We looked at Manta yesterday. Let's go to Mana. Manta was yesterday. Gold, gold, gold. Yeah, we're going to go over that. Don't worry. Nat Gas. Haven't looked at that for Brad. We can look at NG. NG with the Nat Gas. Man said Monkey. What else do you got up here? Titan X. I don't even know what that is, to be honest. What? Okay. Yeah, we're not looking at any uni swaps. Dogecoin. Okay, OP definitely. Optimism. Overpowered optimism, my friends. We got Ripple from this. We're gonna go over Nasdaq. We're gonna go over ES. If you're new on the, we're gonna go over gold. My goodness, you guys should know this by now. LCX, I like that. We got LCX. Did we go over LCX yesterday? We might have. Somebody said TRX, AAVE, Euro USD. Went over Euro yesterday. We're gonna try to do new ones. Snap. Snap is down, what, 30% today? Let's see. Give me some more, my friends. FOMO, Theta. We can look at it. Let's look at a currency we haven't looked at. Give me a. Now you guys like LCX. Well, we're just going with the board here. Give me a Forex pair that we haven't gone over. Like, let me double check here. What we got? Would you guys like AUD? Yeah, there you go. Brad said AUD. I already took one from you, Brad, though. This guy wants CAD USD. We'll do that. Is it even good volume, though? Let me see. Well, did I spell that right? Yeah, that's not bad. These guys want ETH. Well, gold, we will go over gold. Goodness gracious. We did US30 yesterday. LTC. We haven't looked at Litecoin in forever. We might do that one for sure. Yeah, we're going to look at Litecoin. Definitely LTC next to LCX. Sweat. That sounds disgusting. But I don't know what the coin that is. Cake. Dude, cake sounds actually pretty awesome. Cake the stock. Give me that cake. Give me that cake. The Cheesecake Factory. Now, this is my type of stock right here, baby. That's my type of stock. AUD USD. That's what we're going to do. AUDUSD. I've got 2 more slots. Throw them in there, my friends. Let's look at the Dixie. Guys, would you like the Dixie? Anybody like the Dixie? Want to do that one? Gold, we're going to look over Instagram. I'm going to give you guys one more day. If you mention gold ever again, we're going to have a serious problem. Theta. Theta. Yikes. This volume's terrible on Theta. Who even recommended this? Shiba, of course. Gosh. If Shiba didn't move from yesterday, we're going to have a serious problem. Okay, I like it. Shiba. Is that right? Yeah. Shiba. Shiver me timbers, baby. All right. What else we got? Dixie. Would you guys like the Dixie? Dixieland Delight? Is that what you like? Just do silver tomorrow instead of gold. Yeah, like just mess with them. I'll do silver. Now, what do you want more, my friends? AAVE. I know we were... did we go over that? We went over ADA yesterday, I think. Let's see. Yesterday, I got some recommendations. Hold on. Link's still chilling. Ooh, there's an ETH, baby. You guys want to look over ENS? Let's do ENS. I'm picking this one. I want to put Jacob's suggestion. Y'all just might have caught me misspelling my name there. Goodness gracious. What have you guys done to me? What have you done to me? All right. That's the board. The board's filled. If we have extra time, we will go over it. Of course, you know the ordeal. You guys know the ordeal. If we have extra time, we will go over more for ya. But for now, welcome back to the live stream. And we have going to finish the Q&A now, my friends. I need to go save this really quickly. So you had a chance to look over. Let me make sure I got this right. Give me 2 seconds. I don't want to miss anybody. Do I have everybody in here? I'm praying I do. I have somebody up here. Who's that? I can't read it. That's annoying. Give me a sec. Can I just highlight all this? That'd be lit all the way up. See if I got him there. All right, guys, just a sec. We're going to jump into Bitcoin and see what she's doing for us. See if she's working it. Did I get him above Toby? Yeah, I did. File save as Wednesday. All right, I got everybody down that was in this. Oh, we got 2 more with Brad and somebody else. All right, I'm going to end it so none of you can guess anymore. Sorry. If you didn't guess, better luck tomorrow. We'll see if price is more or less than, what was it? 43430 at the end of the stream. Thanks for submitting your predictions, and we'll see you at the end of the stream and maybe get an extra bit of points added to your profile for a chance to enter a 1 in 10 giveaway at the end of the week. Remember, guys, we do have to hit 100 likes on this stream to continue the other $300 giveaway we're going to do this Friday. So make sure that you hit the like button, get us up to 100 likes. Well, welcome back. Let's get into our charting portion of the stream. You know what's up. Bitcoin is first. You say gold one more time, I'm not looking at gold. Just kidding. I'll look at gold for you. But it hasn't gone anywhere, man. I'd be back. Gotta go take a cheeseburger. Okay. Take a cheeseburger. Are you dashing or something? This boy dashing up in here? All right. Yeah, why is this like 10 times louder in my headset than... Oh, I know why. Well, the music's cranking in my headset. I'm like vibing over here. There we go. Beautiful. All right. Guys, Bitcoin is the first one up. You know the deal. You know the deal. Bitcoin's our friend. Bitcoin is setting higher lows. That's the best part about Bitcoin. We talked about this yesterday, right? So with the Bitcoin, we were looking for a break above or below these 2 price points. We've been watching quite a while, but we did like it more to the bullish side because it was conflicting with this oscillator trend. It's been holding support here. We had that nice breakout on Ethereum, which is fantastic. So seeing this kind of go up, try to retest where it's at right now, it's a good start to this thing potentially making that big breakout. I really think we might get it very soon. Oscillator setting up really nicely on that daily. The problem is this imbalance setting up here. Now, if we dive into that 4 hour, we discussed, this support looking for that breakout. So this is step one to getting that full breakout, above that 44K. Now, 44K is the hardest point in which we've been struggling with, and we'll go over why that is here in just a little bit. Brad said, I want to ask. What is this? Give me something better than this. Yeah, that's pretty good. It's not bad. All right. Then nope. That's better. All right. So 44K, remember, been huge. Yeah, news this week, nothing too major. We're not gonna really do news as much today. We do have, it's Thursday. We're the 10-year auction today at 1. I think it just came out. So if you had a little bit of volatility in the market, that's probably why. Crude oil inventories was today. It was 5 million over surplus. 5 million surplus on the crude oil inventories. Price probably fell because of that. I will look at it though. It just depends how it's been moving. But it was predicted and it's been off that high. Thursday, yeah, initial jobless claims, same crap. This week's kind of dead on the news other than earnings, big earnings. We got Disney after hours today, so and some other ones that we'll be looking at. But for Bitcoin, right? Look at them lo-fi beats. All right, we're gonna play what we want to play here. Okay, all right. Bitcoin, though, that 44K mark, super important. That's exactly what I want to see get broken, right? If we go back one more time, those of you that are new to the stream, those of you that are new to the stream, you don't know what we do, but those of you that have been here, you do know what we do. We like to pull up that volume profile, especially when we have that consolidation. You can notice the top of that value range sitting at 44,200 and let's just say 50. So we need a very clean breakout above that previous resistance. Is lining up on Bitcoin with that resistance. If we get a nice clean break over that, we're going to look really good for a continuation through 45, 46 is exactly what we're looking for on the move here, right? So in this case, let's really watch for that break above this current high. That's the biggest part right now. Is breaking out of that 43,885. Now, 44 would probably be your best bet, but the reason we're saying that, we want a little bit bigger move into the 44.5 areas because of the amount of stacked resistance up here in this zone, right? So you got a, sell imbalance sitting there as well, leftover sell orders from the previous sell-off. So it's very likely people could, eventually get filled at these levels and probably targeting some of these levels, especially with that previous resistance lining up. Similar here on Bitcoin. So I would be careful above 44K unless it shows very good strength, very good volume. I think you'll be all right, but that's, remains to be seen. Right now, though, fantastic reversal setup, looking really good for the bullish move here on the daily here, and especially the 4 hour. Finally getting a nice body close with some decent volume to get through that high. Now, we just got to take out these highs. It would be awesome if we took them out in the next 4 hour candle. We have an hour and 37 minutes here, or even this candle. It'd be nice if we took it out in the next candle and not showed any resistance. That means, buyers would be taking over this level, which would be fantastic. That's exactly what we want. But if that's not something we get, then we want to see maybe a retest of this high and hold over this previous high to show us maybe a trend is coming in formation. So right now, 43,371 would be necessarily that retrace bounce back that I would really want to ensure that this is going to start trending. So if that doesn't occur, then more than likely we're probably not going to have that trend. But ideally, this is what you would want to see, right? If we're talking actual moves back up to the 50K level, which is, we're hoping to get something like that come the halving, and I think it's predicted for May now. We can look at that here later. But we would want to get a full-on extension, pretty much blow up through this imbalance here and then show structure, right? Get some clean structure here. Give us a trend to go by. That would be really nice. Something to where you're going to show confirmed support over 44K. And look here, oscillator's already starting to get that turning point today. If that happens, You're going to get that nice little green turning point there. Notice, though, volatility is super low. Whenever you see the money flow where it's literally, next to none, it's nothing like this, usually volatility is super low. So we're going to need to see some really nice strength with strong volume to kind of get us up into that next push. Now, the nice part is we do have a pretty nice imbalance sitting here. So if we get enough volume, we should see probably a domino effect leading us into the 46, 45K. So that's kind of really the big move here, is getting that massive breakout. And that's exactly what we want. So let's jump over to Ethereum, though. And it's starting to show us what we want to see on Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin's the lagger. Ethereum is not. Just kidding. Because sadly, Ethereum's way off if you look at a weekly comparison with Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin peaked its head all the way up to that swing high like we saw. I forgot to show you that real quick on the Bitcoin daily or weekly. For those of you that have never joined the stream, here you go. This is the Bitcoin weekly. So remember, the Bitcoin weekly came up and touched that swing high, and it rejected, right, that order block there. That's why we always take into consideration these order blocks that come off of that swing point up there. So that's, essentially going to be our target right now, be that 45, 46 level if we do get that breakout. But for Ethereum, look at the difference here. Ethereum never came up to that, similar swing point. The volume just never hit it, right? People have been, a little bit against Ethereum recently. Volume has been a lot lower than it's been in the past. So it's something that we're definitely watching. Now, it better be leading, right? Ethereum is beyond. Now, yes, Ethereum ETF has been delayed, obviously, by the SEC, but it is kind of back. They're trying to get it back. Definitely trying to get it back going. Now, the numbers within the order blocks is the volume coming from that order block level. So, yes, sir. In this case, though, Ethereum's looking really good. We talked about this yesterday. One of these days, I'm going to have pretty clean clips for you guys. It'd be awesome. We were sitting about here. We were getting that BOS on Ethereum. We said, hey, we need to retest this high, right? And if we retest that high, we need to see a little bit of a retracement. Now, I would have liked a cleaner or like a breakout before the retrace, but we got that retrace. Coming up with, guess what? You had, a nice higher low here, and you had that structure break, right? This structure broke here and set a turning point right there. So when you see something like that, you get a higher low on the oscillator there, and you see it go and retest that structure. If you can get a higher low above that 50 level, you can essentially get a nice confirmed reversal setup, right? You set a higher low here, right there. Get a nice confirmed reversal setup with the oscillator, giving you that bullish turning point. And look there, you had a nice little two-leg move so far, retesting that high. So essentially, if I were to have traded this, it would have been an entry off of this candle after that turning point got closed there, and then trading up to this swing high that it recently had resistance on. So that was late Monday, of course, if you were to take that. But in this case, it did get a nice reject off that high. It bounced above the BOS. This is what we talk about. If you're new on the Instagram stream or you're here yesterday, we already started to get you guys into the idea of how to look at these structure points. And this is exactly what we look for. Is we're going to look for clean price action above a BOS or change of character. So you got that clean price action to held support. And yet again, you get a nice no wick, what I call no wick retest right here. Absolutely no wick retesting that higher low. You get a beautiful pullback with nice lower wicks. Bodies of these candles are slowing, right? They're getting smaller and smaller, indicating a potential continuation of the upside. This is a grade A pullback on a 4-hour chart for a nice breakout, which is exactly what we got. So this case would have been in much earlier, right? But for this essential breakout and retest there, you bounce right off of that FVG. Nice little buy side inbounce you had there. Leftover orders, right? Come in, those orders get filled alongside, and then it just says sayonara, right? And then it breaks out. Now, right now on ETH, I would say if we go into that daily chart, let's take a look. The other thing we were going to watch here is, remember, we had the fixed volume profile up as well, which we were going into that range here. And there you go. We're outside now. We rejected, right? Higher low, finding this trend. It broke out of that value range. So up here, you can already see the amount of volume that's kicked into the buy side. So really, really strong level right now, starting to continue, right? Really nice, strong level. Come back on, if you want the $100, come back on Friday. Enter to potentially be a winner for our $300 giveaway this Friday. We got to be on the YouTube channel to enter. All right, STM, chill, brother, chill. Keep spamming it, man. I'm gonna deny you from that giveaway. So come back Friday, you can enter. And there he goes again. All right, Mickey, you know what to do. You know what to do, Mickey. I'm gonna leave that to Mickey. You're gonna deal with the wrath of Mickey. But in this case, guys, we're up over these body closes, up over that value range. Really nice move now. I would say my targets for this would be up near that BOS of 24.52. STM, you had your chance and you blew it, my friend. But in this case, yeah, yet again, in this case, I just need a t-shirt that says in this case because I say it so much. I would target the upside of that imbalance there, make sure that it wants to fully fill it, right? Or that, there you go, that order block sitting up there, right? It's the top of that. You could, essentially, I would say this low here, this body close here, up into that order block, this would be my range of take profit. So the low of that is 24.36 up into 24.70. So we'll see if we can get that. You do have some highs here to deal with. So it might be a struggle on the way there, but it's looking really good here. The fact that it bounced and got above this nice core value range here. So you're looking good for an extension. RSI would be the only thing that's kind of like iffy because it has extended with this breakout, right? So we'll see. But there you go. Yeah. If he said ETH will have ETF soon. Yeah. So, I mean, we all saw what happened after the Bitcoin ETF sell the news type of event. That's very possible. You get the same for ETH. But ETH was lagging. So in this case, maybe it's not a sell the news event. Maybe it's buy the news. Could very much be. And, that's just up to the overall market. So we'll see what happens here. But so long as price on ETH holds up over the, I would literally say 2,400. But in this case, you do have these two levels right here that pretty much acted perfectly as resistance. That's my price zone I'm watching right now. If ETH does hold up over the 2,400 roughly, but let's just say 2,391 down to 2,375, then you're looking, I think you're going to look pretty for that continuation, okay? So really keep an eye on that with Ethereum. Let's hop over to gold for all you fiends, all you gold fiends. Oh, such fiends in the chat. Just in love with gold. All right. I need to turn that up. Do you guys want me to look at gold, and gold does nothing? Does absolutely nothing. Hold on, I gotta turn that up. I need you guys to hear this more. All right. That's not even loud enough. I can barely hear that. All right. Skip gold, he said. I gotta look over gold for these guys so they get out of my ear. Okay. Let's go back to what we talked about all week long, okay? So in this case, we want to break out, right? We want to get a breakout of 2060. This thing's not going anywhere. It's just dead. This thing does not want to do anything at all. It's boring. Don't trade it. I would not recommend trading gold right now. And it's not going anywhere. We're bullish over 2K, as always. I can, pull our range yet again. We're inside this value range. Okay, your first bet getting up over 2046, like we said yesterday, or breaking down between 2017. This is literally Bitcoin Cash, but it's gold, right? So bullish over 2K, you know the deal. Instagram chat, what's up? Okay. Yeah, I mean, this thing is, gosh, dude, just do something. It's pissing me off. Like, come on. We need to break out of this. Like, honestly, that's what I'm saying about that value range there. We got the 4 hour, same-ish, right? It just doesn't want to do anything. It's extremely boring, right? This is why I'm saying don't trade it. It's not really worth trading, in my opinion, right now. We need to see some actual strength. Give me some strength up in this ish. I'm gonna pull it back here. Let's just do a value range from here. Yeah, like we're literally inside this range, trading back and forth, finding support, bouncing. POC's there. It's bouncing back up. So 2050, we need that breakout, or 2010. That's perfect. 2050, 2010. Watch those levels. If we get the breakout, then we can talk about this a little bit more. But there's absolutely no reason to be trading this right now. I'm just telling you. It's just you're gonna get freaking screwed every time. Wait till structure's right. Okay. Okay. There you go, you gold fiends. You're welcome. You gold fiends. Wait till structure's right. Don't be dumb. Just be patient. You impatient traders will fail every time. All right, guys, right? 80 likes already on the YouTube. If you want to do this giveaway on Friday, though, we have to hit 100 likes. I mean, we have to. Here we go. We need 100 likes to give away $300. I don't think I can make it any more clear. I will pin that. So smash that like button. If you want to be a part of the giveaway, you do have to tune in on Friday if we do hit our goal per stream to hit the 100 likes. So that, we usually do regardless. So we'll hit it. Don't worry. I just like playing with you guys. But in this case, he opened 125x leverage position at 43,300. I hope you're joking. You're nuts. You are absolutely nuts if you did that. What an animal. This guy's got balls of steel. This guy is the Hodl king, if that's true. This guy's the Hodl king. All right. Let's go to the NQ and the ES, guys. If you're on the stream yesterday, we talked about how if we were to break out of this, we need to see a very strong candle, and this is exactly what we got. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We got it. I'm gonna go forward on this song. I gotta crank these. NQ yet again.
Who's your daddy?
You know the deal. We have been NQ's daddy for a while now. He asked me if he wanted to go higher. I said, absolutely, son, you can go higher. And NQ, guess what? He went higher. We're not doing that here. Sorry. Excuse what I just said. He went higher for us. Because I already said it's son, right? All right. I can't have political views on here, on this stream. Now, we bounced, right? When that structure shows its face, my friends, this is why structure is so important and why you need to understand, right? When you see a higher low get formed, especially inside an imbalance and it breaks back out of that, there's no reason to ever sell out of a long position. NQ today back up 1%. Insane. Let's go to that 4 hour really quickly. We talked about it yesterday. It was inside of this, right? We said, hey, NQ, if you want to actually break down from this level, you need to come up here and show us resistance yet again. And guess what? It didn't happen. It never showed resistance off a previous low. It tried to there. It failed, right? The Neo Cloud just got fully liquidated come close on Thursday. Wait a second. This is the wrong time frame. Sorry. Excuse me. Well, you're talking about the 1 hour. I was about to say that didn't make sense. That didn't look right. Here you go. So this was yesterday. We saw this. We want to see that fully get broken down on the Neo, right? When you get, when you look in these 1 hours on the NQ specifically, I like to watch the Neo Cloud. You get these red candles. It treats the Neo as support. This is just a false reset, right? It wants to reset its price before it sets up. And here you go. Great example of why I like to use the oscillator alongside this on here. We can just look at this. Quite impressive on this front. Oscillator here. Watch. Lower high, or actually higher high comes down, sets a lower low, right? This is actually a pretty clean reversal pattern on the oscillator. Higher high, lower low, then guess what? Sets a lower high, right? Or a higher low. Yo, don't come in here and say check ETH when I literally just went over Ethereum for like 3 hours. Just go back about 5 minutes. I promise you'll get a lovely in-depth analysis of Ethereum. If you're new here, I'm sorry for just pointing you out, but yet again, just know every single stream we come on here, first thing we go over is Bitcoin. Second thing we go over is Ethereum. Third thing we go over is dreadful gold. The fourth thing we go over is the Nasdaq. And then the fifth thing we go over is usually, crude oil or stuff like that. And then we get into the thing. So just rewind about 5 minutes and you'll get Ethereum, my friend. Okay, let's get back to it. What is this epic music I'm getting into? All right. Now, this is what we talk about with the Neo Cloud. So, Neo Cloud in line with the oscillator. This is beautiful, right? So, we get a retracement in the Neo. The Neo holds up, right? This isn't bearish whatsoever. We get a retracement into the Neo, holds up. Even with that reset we got a lower low on the oscillator. coming into a higher low. Beautiful. Higher low forms here. It gets confirmed on this candle up here, right? And then you get a bullish change of character. The minute I see this strong bullish change of character, it's like jetpacks ready. You got the breakout. Beautiful retest here. This thing has retested this level several times, and now, there you go. There's the juice to let it go. It got the full reset on the oscillator for that nice rally here on the Nasdaq 1 hour. I would say now, let's go to that 4-hour chart really quick. This is what you're watching. You got the change of character, and why the change of character is so important. Just holding over this level now. This is where you want to see your retracement. Look at the oscillator. The oscillator got into so much consolidation that the money flow flipped bearish. Now, that consolidation ends up holding, right? Consolidation holds. You get a higher low after an extended oscillator move here when it broke down below the Neo Cloud on the 4-hour here. But it didn't fully break, and the Neo Cloud didn't ever shift bearish, right? So I still would be bullish even on a 4-hour time frame when I see that. Now, once you see that there, it comes back up, finds that support. It's rallying perfectly above the Neo Cloud. That's usually a very bullish signal. And then you get that going into this nice change of character with a bullish turning point right at the 50% level. Everything lines up perfectly, higher, low. Everything lined up perfectly for this breakout. Nasdaq right now, this is a very aggressive hodl situation, if anything. Okay, so beautiful little reset there. It had a 2-day reset just to push it even higher. So that's exactly what we want to see with really clean price action. Guys, we just hit 100 likes. The train moves on. It has left the station this Wednesday, and it'll be back here tomorrow to collect its next 100 likes. Guys, if tomorrow we get 100 likes on the YouTube live stream, we are doing the $300 giveaway on Friday. You do have to be here to enter the $300 giveaway. We do give you enough time to come in and enter, so don't worry about it. We have hit it. Good job, guys. I'm going to remove that pin. And let's go on to tomorrow for the 100 likes, and Friday, here we come. All right. Let's jump over now. Let me double check something real quick. Let me look at crude oil. Crude oil hasn't done anything. It was the same as yesterday. No reason to really look at that. If you want crude oil analysis, look at it from yesterday. And I think we're gonna jump into the board now. Oh, Solana. Wait. Yeah. Solana. Solana's the last thing we like to look at. Forgot about that. Solana. All right. Okay, Miss Solana. Why does my DB always change? All right. So Solana, we said this yesterday. Let's look at this. Solana's struggling a bit, right? We do kind of have an inverse head and shoulders kind of pattern. Now, yesterday, unpinned, bro. Not message retracted. I didn't mean to do that. We had this talk yesterday on Solana. Still hasn't really done anything because of, probably the network, whatever. But essentially, when you like to see an inverse head and shoulders, you really want to see like a pretty decent impulse to the downside and then set up. But it is setting up an inverse head and shoulders. Same similar pattern, right? You have your neck line, and you have your head, and you have your two shoulders, right? So in this case, we just wait out that big volume breakout, right? That would be the biggest thing I would look for. We want to see that big volume breakout. Now, we jumped in on the 4-hour yesterday. We talked about this a bit. We're starting to see what we were just talking about, right? In this case, like this, bam. Right? We want to see if this thing wants to fully break out. Now, this is actually looking really good. If Solana, guys, I'm going to put an alert right here. If Solana actually breaks out of this right here, we might take a paper trade on this and see how it plays out into tomorrow. I put an alert there. We need a full candle close over that level. Can I can't do candle closes on this. Actually, I can do it on a line. Give me 1 sec. We might take a paper trade for a long swing. Hold on. Bear with me. I forgot. I need to do a... Oh, not that one. Man, I look like a rookie over here. All right. All right. We want to see, what was it? That high of this candle here. 97.90. Coordinates 97. Give me that 90 level. We're going to make the line super small here. And now let's set an alert on this. Bar close. So this is how you can set bar close things. Solana, I'm just leave it there. I'm going to just say breakout. If you want to do a bar close, so we want to see, a candle close above this level. So I'm going to just create an alert for that. Maybe it'll happen. Happen for us. All right. So that's inevitably what I really want to see there. But great structure so far, right? You could even consider this a nice little head and shoulders setup. You had a lower low into a higher low, and now it's wanting to break, right? Should I say who's your daddy? I don't think it will keep rejecting around the 105 level. I hope you will say who's If it breaks out, you best believe we're doing who's your daddy on Solana. I will say the oscillator, look at this. This is actually this is very pretty. All right, hold up. We got an hour 15. All right, if this hour 15 actually prints this, by the way, if this hour 15 prints that turning point, we'll take the trade for sure. I don't think we'll be on for another hour 15. Maybe we will for the sake of this. If it starts showing good strength, we're definitely going to do it. But this thing looks good. I would target 101.91, 102 probably, and then 106, 105, 106, right? That would be your setups there. But I need the candle close. I need it to close over 97.90, right? Okay, let's get to the board though. Looks really good, guys, on the 4 hour right now. The daily here. Yeah, and we get a turn. We get fudge, man. Only if I could curse. Yeah, this is an F situation. This is like this could be awesome. We just need some good volume on that daily close. Let's get a good volume daily close today. It's gonna look really good. It's gonna look really good. All right, I like it. All right, keep an eye on that daily close though. The daily close is important here on if you want a longer term thing. I would definitely suggest this level would be more of a longer term swing into the upper 100s. You just kind of hold for a little bit. All right, my friends, let's get to the board. Let's get to the wheel of analysis. On to our first one. All right, Optimism, my friends. Let's go. That makes me feel good about what's it called? About ETH. Well, it does make me feel good about ETH, but it also makes me feel good about Solana, giving us optimism already. All right, wow, this looks awesome. This looks great. If you're trading this off that imbalance, you are a legend. You're a legend trading it off this massive imbalance here, especially with that higher low. We need some other. Oh, that is the wrong button to push. No. Yo, give me the next. That's the wrong button to push yet again. Bet. All right. Let's get the wheel off the vertical board and go over Optimism. All right, guys. Structure is coming in clutch here. Great structure right now. Great structure and Optimism. Look at this previous bouncing level here lining up with the change character. Right? Beautiful little setup there that we're getting. We dive into that 4 hour. I mean, this is clean. It's beyond clean here. So lovely structure so far. We're breaking out. I actually would want to see here the next 4 hour to continue this move. I want to see 350 plus on this. Interesting retracements already. Price is going to have to hold this area here. I'm going to take this off now. But there you go. You got the clean breakout, right? Got the clean breakout here. Comes back and it retests this level. Beautiful level. It broke out again. So we got to continue to see those retests, right? I would honestly like for this candle to extend up into this upper order block, maybe even come, into the next candle, have the next candle do it. But if anything, it needs to hold over this 330. I would just say 330. It's a good mark. Hold that 330 if anything. But next candle, I would want to see that continuation already. Daily chart, though, this thing looks fantastic. You had a nice retracement during this consolidation. Look at this here, too. I bet the profile looks incredible on this. We're going to do it from here. There you go. This thing breaks out of a POC, and now it wants to hit the top of the range. Top of the range is $3.70. Go to 4 hour. See this. So, yeah, on the 4 hour here. Let me drag this. Sorry. There you go. 4 hour. Look at that. Comes up, breaks out of that POC yet again. Comes down, bounces right off of it. Beautiful little break here. So, yet again, that's, 370 is that upside of that area there. So it's lining up nicely with this order block, which is a really good spot to look for. So, that daily, man, I would really, Yeah, the daily and the 4-hour look really good. It's getting a nice turning point here on this bullish candle. This thing got a full retracement on the oscillator. Man, this thing looks like it could literally explode on this next 4-hour candle. Let's see how it does. This next 4-hour candle could be money in the bank. Shoddy, what you think? All right. It broke out, broke out structure here after it didn't even retest that high when that structure got broken on the oscillator, and now it breaks out and then it retraces. I mean, everything's lining up for this thing to at least go retest $3.60. So we'll see what happens. We will see what happens. Man said fib. Look at the daily fib, right? I mean, the daily fib here is a little rough, right? I guess you could have pulled it from that other spot, but if we were to pull this swing here, like a bearish fib, you're hit at the 50% retracement. But honestly, in this current state, it fully broke these trends on the oscillator, found support on that trend, and money flow is starting to die out on the sell side. So it looks good for that bullish run. We'll really see if that fib actually wants to treat itself. But this is why we're saying like $3.60 is money, I think, right now before we see any resistance. So let's see what happens, though. You never know. You never know, my friends. All right. That's it for Optimism. We are very optimistic on Optimism. If this hits the dude, I don't understand how I can do that. I literally spin it so perfectly that I maybe need to just go play roulette or something. All right, one more time. I'll give it one more time. Okay. Wait, I moved my camera. You guys saw into the matrix. Hold on. You guys saw into the matrix. Fix it. Dude, how in the F? Like, guys, I need to spin a wheel of fortune or something. All right. We're going to go to AVAX. So the problem, I was thinking, man, maybe I should play roulette because I just nailed that on the dot twice in a row. But then at the same time, I'm not the one spinning it. So if they would let me spin it, then I would definitely do it. All right, I would definitely do it. Let me spin that wheel. Maybe I'll hit it. All right, man. This thing, Avalanche, just as good, my friends. Just as good as what we were just seeing. Man, Instagram's been suffering. I'm so sorry, Instagram. We've had that up, and you guys have been suffering with that chart. If you guys want the full view, Instagram, make sure you go and join the YouTube live. You'll get the full view. All right. Okay. This is honestly, this is bread and butter. This is literally bread and butter. This is juicy. This is the ripest juice you can get here on a Avalanche. I mean, avalanches sadly go down, but this avalanche might go up. I mean, this is golden. Similar pattern formation. I mean, you fully broke out of this beautiful downtrend. You retested it. It bounced. It's showing support yet again. This is incredible. You can't go. Yo, this playlist can be weird as F sometimes. Now, honestly, yeah, your price point to buy on this would probably have been below 34 would have been great. Or even with this trend retest. Look at the oscillator. Holy crap, the oscillator's still on the downside. Wow, this thing could go nuts. Let me see on this one. Yeah, this thing looks great. So here's how I would play this. Now, if I wasn't personally in this, right, this is how I would play this. You had on the oscillator, right, you had for the Avalanche oscillator, you had a break here, right? You had those structure break happening right on this line, right? Broke right here. And it came back and tried to set a turning point here on this guy, right? And it failed to break out. Now, this is showing support for a second time, which is great. If we can get another turning point like these green dots, right? If we can get another turning point happening here, and this candle gives me another strong body close up there, that's probably where I would fully look for a breakout, right? It's looking really nice. The only thing I don't like is the fact that we had this bearish change character and we still haven't had a structure shift here. I mean, you could evidently say that like up here was a structure shift, but that was a pretty weak lower high. But like overall, this entire thing looks incredible. I would really want to see how this daily candle closes. I mean, if you want to be real safe, you'd wait until this order block gets fully broken out of. So like if you get a clean close over 37, it's looking like. But this higher low here with this volume is pretty nice. I will say that this area here is it's looking pretty juicy. This is what I would do right now. For a lower time frame, you have this breakout. This is where I would confirm that this thing wants to continue. Is a setup similar to this. Now, here's where you can use the oscillator to take your entry, right? Oscillator is going to be a little bit delayed, right? So the oscillator will always be that double confirmation you always need. In this case, we need this thing to come up, come back down, and then show us a turning point. If I get a turning point like that on the 4-hour for Avalanche, somewhere where price wants to hold in the 35.50s, maybe the 35.20s, anyway where it looks like this with that turning point, I will honestly buy this thing and follow it to the moon. I will follow it in an inverse avalanche. Inverse avalanche is what I would look for on this. Weekly chart, I mean, this sucker is bouncing beautifully off a buy-side imbalance. It's literally sitting off of this high as well. Look at that. This is why you mark off your highs and lows. I just want to squeeze some of you guys, like, just always mark off your highs and lows, and then you'll see why, especially on the higher time frames. There you go. That thing literally came into it and it just got bought right back up. It lined up with a imbalance. I mean, this is why you guys need, I mean, beautiful, right? Higher low being formed right now. So I want to see that turning point get confirmed, and this thing's probably going to go hit the 40s yet again. So always mark off the right highs and lows on any time frame. Okay. Yeah. All right, on to the next one. Let's see how good I am at spinning this time. If it hits a blank one, we're gonna have a serious problem. All right. I can't. All right. What? Give me out of here a second. All right, bear with me. Me and this wheel are gonna have a real serious problem. Okay, let me adjust this real quick. Did the whole green screen just glitch out there? All right, so you guys looked into the matrix. All right, we're not doing that. We're not going to do this. Okay, so I'm going to put this here, and I'm just going to pick. Oh, look, it picked NG. Hold on. There we go. All right, it picked NG. Honestly, I'm still in shock by this. All right, this music, it's not helping. Okay, NG, natural gas. I just typed in NG USD. That's how flustered I am right now. This music's even worse. Okay, NG. Wow, what a drop off here. That warm front, man. Hey, you bet. That warm front coming through. Natural gas said, see you later. All right, on the 4 hours, let's dive in here. I mean, this thing, fudge, man. Throw darts at it, Jacob. I honestly rather do a dartboard than this stupid wheel. Okay. Let's see. This thing is still inside this order block down here. I would want to see this thing get bought off of this level. All right, I would want to see this thing get bought off this level before I consider actually doing anything with this thing. NG's getting just absolutely hammered. right? Like, how's the price action recently? Let's go to the 15-minute. Volume's so low on this. Wow. Had that massive gap down. Like, yeah, this thing doesn't care. It just doesn't care. It's literally, this is where you watch the weather. You're like, all right, let me see if this thing's worth actually trading. But for now, it's definitely something that I'm not, I would wait to see if it wants to actually get bought off this level. Then, okay, so over $2.19, I would buy this thing to see if it wants to rally to 240. But so long as it's under that, this thing's going to probably keep selling. So that's what I'll leave it on. Gas is trash, yeah. Literally. Okay. NG. All right, I'm going to give this thing one last chance. Seriously. This is like literally the last chance, and then this thing's not coming back till the next stream. I'm going to pick every single one, okay? One last chance, my friends. One last chance. Thank you. Thank you. I love you. Thank you. Thank you for finally spinning. Oh, man. Natural gas, those of you on Instagram that missed that, just terrible, terrible area. On to the next one, though. ENS USD. This thing is beautiful. Okay. Get a digital one. No, what would be fun in that? I got to write it on the board, and then I got to make it my... I don't think I can say the B word. I can say, yo, spinner wheel.
Who's your daddy?
Exactly. That's right. All right. All right. Now, ENS. Let's look at it. Okay. All right, this music, what happened? We're getting like... Oh, that's a sick one. Okay, sorry. ENS here. Okay, we've blown up into this upside order block. Now, ENS actually had some news, right? It's an Ethereum name service, of course. Some good news with ENS. That's driven this price action. That's good. Good volume, good volatility. Exactly what you want to see in a nice breakout, right? This one up. Look at what that wicked, by the way. Wicked a perfect order block from that previous high there. And then we ended up coming off of it, right? Now, this is a good reset, right? Here's your reset point. Tesla, not your daddy. Oh, we'll look at Tesla then. Tesla's always been my daddy. I'm going to double check though. Wait a second. I didn't say that. I've always been Tesla's daddy. All right. In this case here, ENS. This is same structure ideas, my friends. Same structure ideas. These highs here, right? These highs, there you go. This is why you mark off your highs and your lows, my friends. Yet again, you mark off highs and lows this way. Maybe I woke up some people there. But again, you mark off highs and lows. This is why you bounce directly off of that. You would have had, honestly, a pretty killer trade if you would have decided to buy off of this level. And that was at 6% move there, right? Off of this, though, this you can pull a fib here as well. You can even pull a fib from this low here into this high. Didn't get that full retrace, right? If you were to talk about this closing point. But look, there's a high all the way up here. And you're right inside the golden pocket when you see that. So lines up perfectly actually with that previous high, right? And it's, absolute beautiful buys off of that level. So this is why you always look to consider that as a potential buying point. Especially off a swing point. Higher low came into play. This thing still looks good. If it can continue to hold over these highs, I think you're Gucci. So again, once I would target these, I would first target this level at 2278. Then I would target 2462. If price does come down a bit more, which right now it looks okay, then 20 would be that price point I would watch for my last hurrah there. Last hold would see around 20 bucks. So keep an eye on that around 20. Let's look at the daily really quickly. Daily's just like incredible. Daily similar situation. You had a higher low here, but look at it coming out of a downtrend. Right, it's coming out of a downtrend in this case. What you want to see is yet again another retracement here. Give me this uptrend. Continue this higher low uptrend there. You already got one higher low. That would confirm it off the BOS there at 2062. So there you go. There's that price point you want to watch for. 2062 for a bounce, and then go up, retest these highs again, man. 24 plus would be money on that. But great job here with the bearish money flow coming off this high. Sets up breaks out, this looks really good for a potential continuation. So I'm going to check on Tesla real quick. Dude, Tesla's always been. I've always been Tesla's daddy. I mean, we're still Tesla's daddy. It's still inevitably doing what we want it to do. So we'll see. We'll see how much it can keep this up, Tesla. We'll see how much you can keep this up. But not too bad there. Tesla's trying to rebound from all you people that want to just buy it because under $200, I need to buy Tesla. All right. I'm gonna. Maybe if I just not even look at it. Last time when I didn't look at it, it hit. God. Okay. Maybe because I didn't have it on the one thing. Nice. All right, we're getting better at this. Mana. Mover's coming, my friend. Don't worry. Mover's coming. Dude, this thing hates me. I will say that. This thing freaking hates me. Okay. Wow. Okay, mana. Well, mana. Excuse me. In this case, mana, not a huge fan. Very low volatility. Very low volatility on mana. If I just picked, then you guys wouldn't be fully entertained. Unless you don't like my entertainment. If you don't like my entertainment, then honestly, just you can always hit that little X at the top of the screen. All right. So, in this case, though, mana breaking through. I mean, this is rough. The volume's not here. We need some volume. So, you know, I wanted to help you guys out. Okay, this thing's trying. This thing's trying. Sweeping the highs before it shits the bed pre-halving. You know, I said the S. I'm pretty sure I can curse on YouTube Live, but I'll try to leave the cursing to a minimum. I totally could have went off there for a second on what we saw, but similar. Gosh darn it, bro. I just need to take off the wheel for Instagram at all times. I'm sorry. Sorry, Instagram. I love you. Now this is trying to show some volume, right? I slipped up. You made me curse, man. Nah, it's okay. I'm sure it's fine. I'm pretty sure most people just say the F-bomb over and over, so it's all good. What's up, Banks? How you doing? All right, we are actually showing some volume on this 4-hour candle for some awkward reason. I don't know why. We have broken this. All right, look at that breakout. So if this were, you know, if this actually gets some more volatility into it, that's the biggest thing I would watch for if I was actually going to do this. See if you can get up above and hold above this previous high or low. Honestly, if you can get over 44.50 there, it'd be nice. But above 44 would be ideal for a potential reversal setup. You can break that structure by breaking out above 50 on the oscillator as well for mana here. But not bad, honestly. Not bad. Let's go back to that 4-hour. Or, sorry, back to the daily. My bad. I do want to look at the profile on this. See where it's at. Here you go. Yeah, Fame knows what's up, bro. Look at the fixed volume. Yes, sir. Fame knows what's up. Fixed volume profile, you got that POC. Makes sense why, you know, this is the POC. A lot of volume trade through this. Trading off a pretty high volume order block from the past when it was trending. But essentially, if we want to actually get a really nice setup. I get it, Michael. It is an easy solution, but like I want to make sure that, you know, you guys can watch me suffer sometimes, I guess, because I'm sure the suffering is somewhat entertaining to some of you. I mean, it has to be because you guys just love putting the ticker in gold when you know that I say don't spam gold. So it's got to be somewhat. So mana breaking out of 44.70, like we said, 44.50 level there. That's where that structure point would be that I would want to see a clean break. Probably some decent volume too. That would be the overall move that I would really want to see. So getting up through that high there, showing your, you know, support. But it really, this would just be a confirmed trend break, right? Confirmed trend break off of the POC and that order block there coming out of it. And then obviously you have the upper range of 49, right? 49 would be that level I would look for, 46 plus. So got to get volume on mana here if you really want to play it. All right, I won't get mad at the wheel right now if it misses just because it's a little less. We'll go to Shiba. Shiba Weeba. This is a perfect song for me and Shiba. Okay. Shiba, you had me going early stream, but then I was on the wrong time frame, so I'm not attracted to you anymore. Not this one either. Freaky dog, okay. Alright, are we just going through the whole list again? I think we are. Ugh. Okay. Alright. Shiba. Shiba, yet again, we need volume as well. Yeah, who trades Shiba? Bonk greater than Shiba. You're probably right. It depends, though. How was it doing right now? Bonk's doing nothing. Nothing for you. Bonk ain't doing nothing right now. All right, Shiba. Then we're looking at Shiba. You know, similar situation. We need a break. We honestly need a structure break, high volume. Goodness gracious. We need a break through the 917. This is so bad. I can't even. This is bad. I mean, here you go. The biggest part about Shiba too would be this area right here. You could see that high there when it broke. It had that really nice rally. It came back and it bounced off of it. For those of you on Instagram, you can see it there. Bounced off of it, rallied again. When it broke out, it rallied. Bounced off it, it rallied, right? So in this case, we broke below it, showed resistance, came back down. You want to get up over that. So if it's over 923, yeah, I would want a full large volume candle close over 925, and Shiba Inu could Shiba its way on up. It could shimmy all the way up. But we'll see you later, Shiba. Love you somewhat. Not really. But Shiba, there you go. You need to get up. You need to get up and take a walk, Shiba. Ooh, there you go. My mover friends. Mover used to. Yo, what is up with my mouse? What happened? Oh, man. Mover used to. There you go. Gosh, dude, all these low volume ones today. What am I doing? This is dead, man. On Mover? You had a bad investment? Where are you in at, my friend? Where's my boy Dame in at? This actually isn't that bad. It's holding, which is impressive, actually, for as low volume as this is. There you go. Here's that high I'd watch right now, right? We have this high that's for some reason getting bought off of. It's an interesting high because that's a massive spike. This spike's insane, like that on that weekly chart. Go that daily on Mover. I mean, here you go. If this thing breaks, honestly, that thing breaks down there below 1850, I'd probably get out of it, to be honest. Like, there's just, I mean, I guess you could see some buyers come in down here, but there's just not any volume. Bought it for too much. If you're on long term, you're good. I think you'll be all right. This thing did recently spike and price is holding right now, so I think you could inevitably maybe that, okay. Excuse my English. Maybe see 33.40 again. That would be, you know, that price target. You need that. You need a high volume breakout for that, to be honest. Okay, love you. Today, guys, man, we got some weak, low volume ones. You get out of here, Mover. Nobody wants you. All right, AUDUSD Australian with the USD. AUDUSD. We're going over AUDUSD, boys. Okay. So it's similar to like the euro yesterday. This thing's been perfectly downtrending. This is what we want to see. Beautiful. Now, right now, this is the price point where this is where you're like, this is what breaks the camel's back, right? As they say. If that makes any sense to me, it doesn't really. But in this case, here you go. You're already rejecting that change of character, right? 65 cents, 65,258. Would be that price point right now that you want to see this thing hold under if you want this trend to go lower. Why is that? Jacob, why is that the price point I want to watch? Well, here you go. This is beautiful. It's actually the nice part about watching, what's it called? My goodness. It's just Marco. It's already red in the background. Biggest thing here, you go. For one lovely, beautiful imbalance breakout there you had for the original BOS, came back, showed support off of that, and it rallied, right? Rejected that upper order block. You had the lower high, it busted through it. Another imbalance there. Now it's starting to reject off the same level. It's pretty simple. That level is extremely significant, right? Very significant level there on the AUDUSD. So the AUDUSD here, that's exactly why I would really be careful on this level. Now, if you want to get up and party higher, you're going to have to get up over 66. I wouldn't trade this thing until it's up over 66. I wouldn't be bullish on the AUDUSD until we, we need to get 66 at least. So great job on shorts here if you're in it. This still looks good. Let's look at the 4 hour. I mean, this is pretty Gucci. It's so good. This is so clean. So yeah, these highs here would be perfect. 66.12, 66.150. 66.150 would be that price point I would look for bullish moves. Now, Oscillator is kind of trying to come off of a lower low with this structure break, so there could be an indication where this thing maybe sets up to reverse, but right now, if it's holding under this thing is still a well-held short, in my opinion. Now, it's not anything that you would want to short anymore, okay, my friends? You need to find your short position in that first high or low or lower high type setup, okay? Down here, you're late. You're late, okay? You're down here, you're late, all right? So this is not a place where you're like, okay, time to take shorts. When I missed the whole run down, yeah, no. And that's something that you have to wait for the next setup. You late to the party, okay? Yeah, but then you're like, that was back in December. It's like, well, no-ish, bro. It's like, that's what it takes to be the real deal in this situation, okay? Now, if you trade something like, low time frames, like a 15-minute or something, you can essentially get setups off of, swing points that are similar. That's why you dive into lower time frames sometimes. But for the long term there on the 4 hour, you're trading 4 hour, that's what you look for. All right. And probably a lot of you that trade Forex probably day trade regardless. You're probably on like the 1 second chart. Let's take a quick look at the 1 second chart here on the AUDUSD and see where we're going. Nice. Exactly why that level super significant right now. Still short. I would want to break out over 66.29 if I want to actually see a nice move to the upside. For now, shorts are late, longs are not there yet. On to the next one. LTC. David said, makes my ADH tweak. 1 second, we need Mickey for that. Right? Yo, here at the end of the stream, we'll trade the 1 second chart and see how good we are at it. How about that? We're gonna paper trade some 1 second charts. Well, I got you guys. See how much money I can make in 10 seconds. Guys, if you're new to the stream, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the likes. We appreciate it. We hit 100 likes today yet again, so we are going to be doing the giveaway this Friday. So far, you got to come back tomorrow. Make sure we hit that 100 likes for the 4th time this week, and we will for sure do the giveaway. $300 giveaway on Friday this week. If we hit 100 likes tomorrow, 3 winners, $100 each. You know the ordeal. LTC, holla at me. All right, fixed range profile. Let's bring it in. We're bouncing. There you go. Bouncing off the POC, lining up with that lower value range. Absolutely incredible. If you're trading the range here, you're probably okay right now to potentially see that an upside move. The only thing that I don't like is that it is in a downtrend at this formation, but I do like that you have a 2 little higher lows here, right? You had a higher, actually 3. This was your lower low, right? Never came down, never set a new low. Because I didn't set a new low, that's the first start to your trend reversal on the LTC. Holla at me. You got a nice little bullish money flow coming in on the oscillator as well. So you're coming back up. This thing right now, you got higher lows conflicting with lower highs on the oscillator as well. Everything's looking good. We need some volume now. Volume is all it's going to take. This thing will probably go up and retest at 73 price point. We just need that volume. Look for the volume up through this sell side imbalance there. And then I would look for, your long move. But not too bad right now, right? Not too bad. Oh, that's not right. Go back. Not too bad. Let's go to that 4-hour chart. Look at it. Yeah. Let's get a nice volume break over 69.17. It's the high here. This high is sitting at 69.17. I had it on the money there. Let's get over that. Obviously, you do have a wick up here, but again, the value's there. Volume's above that level, right? So good value to trade on a trend above that level. 60. I would just say 69 to be honest. And for those of you that think that's funny, well, you need to go back to, what is it? I thought that was funny in middle school. So go back a few years. No, go back a lot of years, actually. I don't know how many middle schoolers are watching the stream. All right. But there you go. You got a little bit of a area to pay attention to. But if that breaks out up there and holds, I think you're going to go hit this upper order block in the 70s, mid 70s, or actually, sorry, low 70s. 72 would be that target to the upside if you get that clean break. But like I said, like we said, that daily looks real clean, right? It is still stuck in this downtrend. But I will say that daily is why we like it to the upside a bit. 4-hour, though, if this continues to wick like this, if you get a break below 66.50, more than likely you're going to actually go test 65 at least. All right? 65. Who's texting me? Yo, what? Get out of here. All right, 65 would be if it breaks below 66.50, okay? So that, I mean, for now, I like it to the upside on the daily, but we'll see on good old LTC. Holla at me. All right, let's get rid of both of those off the board. LCX ending us off real nice. Maybe we'll go over a few more. We've gone a little bit faster today because of a few low volume assets we accidentally put on the board. LCX. Ooh. LCX token. LCX used to. Hot damn. This thing is. Yee. Ooh. This thing's ripping. Wow. LCX used to the moon, baby. Who hasn't mentioned this before? I'm just kidding. I think we have mentioned it a million times. I just ignored it. What's wrong with me? This thing, wow, incredible. All right, go to gold. What's he trading? Go to gold. Gold. Yo, Instagram, chill with the gold. We went over gold at the beginning of the stream. Go to the YouTube stream and rewind back all the way to the beginning of the stream. We go over gold for you. Guess what? Gold did absolutely nothing like it's been doing for the past 2 weeks. Or more than that. It's been a while. Gold was terrible. It's been bad. So gold not doing it for us. We ain't looking at nothing moving here. LCX, beautiful. LCX extended. LCX, I love you. LCX, holla at me. All right. Higher lows yet again. Higher lows conflicting with lower highs. This thing is quite interesting, to be honest. But this pattern formation here. Let's see if the actually it sees it. Let's see. Give me that. Wow, look at that. I don't even have to put it on my chart. I don't have to put it on my... Wait a second. Let's go back. Let's rewind a little bit. Check it. If you guys don't know how to draw patterns, well, watch this. I just go... I drew the lows connecting and the highs connecting. I don't got to do it, maybe. I can go right into the price action concepts indicator. I can scroll down to the bottom of this-ish. I can check the patterns on the liquidity concepts. And bada boom, bada bang, I see a beautiful pattern, right? Now, what does this pattern mean? What does it mean? Well, I can go up here and see, oh, ascending triangle. What does it mean? Well, an ascending triangle is a bullish continuation pattern anticipating an upside breakout. Bam. See how easy that was? I just cursor over that. It marked down this pattern. There's your ascending triangle. There's your bullish setup, my friends. I don't got to do nothing when this thing is showing me what's up. So a lot of things can happen here. You can get something like this. We can get a nice breakout there, retest, breakout. So essentially we do have, this setup. I would want to break through that and show support over these highs. That's the biggest thing for me is you have a high right here lining up. All these are lining up. So if you can get a nice blow through the 3078, if you get a nice blow through the 3078 mark, then guys, This thing's ready to pop yet again. 4-hour time frame. What's great about it is wowza. Wowza. This thing just broke. This thing just broke. So here you go. Wait for that continuation bullish move. Hopefully get that turning point. Get a bullish turning point right here. Get a retrace bullish turning point somewhere in the 60s on the oscillator. And then sayonara through the 80s. See that nice breakout through 32, 34 is what I look for. LCX, baby. You are pretty. We're going to be watching you. We're going to be watching you all day, all night. All right. Damn, dude. I'm rhyming like crazy today. Okay. Guys, that was the last one, LCX. Now, boys, we got some time. We got some time. If you want to go over anything specific, throw it in the chat. What do you want next? Give me some. Give me some. What do you want next? I'm a fiend after that. I'm a fiend. Okay. Fame. Chill. Chill, bro. God. I swear to God. Fame's mess with me. Chainlink. Bitcoin. Instagram said link. We'll go to link. Where's Edward with the link or with the nifty 50? Let's go over the nifty 50. Beautiful little pattern formation there. By the way, if there's no pattern detected, you get these dotted lines, right? Dotted lines on the pattern detection, kind of because it's trying to calculate if there's a pattern being formed or not. Gods on gods, bruh. You know, clapping song. Yeah, what? We're getting groovy up in here. All right. Link, baby. We talked about Link yesterday, and yet again, this thing is holding up. It said, hey, buddy, watch me go, and it's holding up over these highs like we talked about so far. So 4 hour here. We got the breakout. Holy guacamole, we got the breakout. Okay. So yesterday, we had this little bit of retracement. We were saying, hey, we need to hold up over these highs, right? We need to hold up in this zone, right? And we got it. Now, we talked about this potentially going higher, and, you know, it is very likely this thing could continue, especially if it's going to hold up above. Here you go. You got an order block printed right there for you. Look at the oscillator fully reset with price holding. I mean, this is money. I punch my monitor how money this is. Okay, oscillator resetting, right? You have the oscillator lows here. Essentially, if price can go up on the oscillator, come back down like this, do something like this, that's what we want to see, right? So we want to see. We want to see this thing set a lower high, come down here, show me some money, show me some money, show me some money, show me some money, show me some money. The 2 and the dollar sign, double dollar sign, double 2. Show me some money down there at the 7 below 18. Show that support. What's going to happen is you're going to get a lower high like this, bop. You're going to get a lower low like that, bop. You're going to get another lower high retest of that, bop. You're going to get a higher low retest, bop, and then you're going to see this thing skyrocket like that. All right, so that's pretty much what we're going to be watching for right now. Unless it wants to set up here and show us some clean price action, okay? So it is holding up over the BOS. I want to see this thing actually show up with nice structure before we consider this thing to continue from here. Because this daily candle a little weak, especially after yesterday's big sell-off. But this is why we're saying, like, if it can come back, retrace below 18 and hold above 17. I would say 17, but honestly 1670. If it can hold above 1670, I think Link could actually make a move into the 20s pretty easily. This could happen way before this, though. It could make that move earlier, to be honest. But let's jump to the next one. Okay, let's look at gold really quickly for my gold friends really fast. Okay, here's gold. Okay, all right. Let's go at SUI USD. All right, on to SUI. You saw gold, there you go. There was your gold. If you guys ask gold one more time, I'm going to just end the stream. Exactly. Yes, that's what I thought. All right, now, because of me saying that is because gold doesn't do anything. It has done nothing. It hasn't done anything. I'm not going to watch it if it's not doing anything. Quit asking about it. It's gracious. All right. Love you guys, kind of, sometimes. I love the people that don't mention gold every 10 minutes. Okay. SUI looks good, man. This thing bounced right off of that previous BOS. That's incredible. Wow. You can't get better than that. Picture perfect. Picture perfect. Come on. This is the million times we checked gold. Literally. All right, guys, we have a double top action on the Suya 4 hour. It's come up, retested this. Look at that. It actually has taken out that high, which is quite interesting. Or wait, did it? High is 165. This high is 165.53. Well, so it did. It went up and it wicked that high. It did a little stop run there, and it's coming off that high right now. This is interesting to me. Ooh, say on the page. It's interesting to me because you have you had a higher low there. You had a lower low. You had a higher low there. So, or higher low there, lower low. Sorry, there. So you did have a little bit of a head and shoulders setup with this push, right? But it didn't break out, which is interesting. So now on the 4 hour, I honestly, time being, I'd be a little bearish, to be honest. On the 4 hour, just a little bit. Now, if it does want to hold, the biggest thing would be these highs here. This thing is already setting up nicely, but if it does want to hold, I would be full on bearish if it makes a clean break below 142.64 roughly, right? If it makes a clean break below that rough price here where it bounced, this low here, what is that? This low would be broken. Yeah. So below 143, right? That's where I would consider, you know, probably looking short to come retest some of these previous swing points. Okay. So that's the biggest thing I would watch right now on Sui's, that breakdown. If I were to actually play the upside of this, I would want to see a very clean breakout to the upside. Okay. So that's the biggest difference here. Let's see if we can get a nice clean breakout through 165 if we actually want to trade this higher. But for now, this thing, I would never trade it on the bull side. I would be leaning bearish a little bit on the 4 hour if that were the case, right? I'm not saying that's going to fully come way down here to like $1.03, but on the 4 hour, if I were to trade it off a bit, that's probably what I would watch for. All right. You guys asked for it, and you guys got it. The Bitcoin 1 second chart. Is this the highest volume, by the way? Is Bitcoin on Coinbase highest volume? I think it is. Let's get back into this. No, not this one. Everybody know? Is the Bitcoin 1 second chart the highest volume? All right. So hold on. Let's create a new account. See how much money we can make here. Bitcoin 1 second chart gambling. Well, no, I can't gamble on YouTube. Hold on. Bitcoin 1 second chart. Money. All right. How many zeros can I put on this? No way. Bet. All right. That's lit. Well, guys, we officially have $1 billion to play with. That easy. Oh, wait. Failed to create account, only numbers, letters, and underscores. I really have to, like, do this? I bet. Bitcoin 1 second chart, money, used to. Okay. We got $1 billion somehow. If you guys want easy money, I just showed you a hack on how to get easy money. We got $1 billion in our Bitcoin 1 second chart money used to account. Guys, once again, this is not financial advice. This is for purely entertainment purposes. We are trading a fake $1 billion on the Bitcoin 1 second chart. If you guys can take me seriously, then you are dumb. This is not, goodness gracious, this is tanking on the 1 minute. Okay. All right, 1 sec, real quick. We're gonna do this for 10 minutes. Maybe. What do we got? Yeah, we got a minute. We're on here an hour 30, so we got time. All right, 1 sec. I need to pull up the dude. This is nuts. I need to pull up the trading buy buttons. Oh, I can buy. How many you want to buy at a time, guys? You guys pick how many you want to buy or sell at a time. I'm gonna let the chat. Should we let the chat trade? Let the chat trade for us. Let me get rid of the FVGs, so they're really annoying. Just buy, he said. Hold on. No, we gotta buy 25. Oh wait, we'll do 25 at a time. All right, bet. All right, watch. Okay, Money flow is bullish there. Money flow is bullish. Money flow, we'll see if it comes off. See if it comes off. See if we get a lower high. See if we get a lower high here. If we get a lower high here, I'm going to take a short. Take a short. Here we go. Coming back up. Coming back up. Come back up real quick. Real quick. Then we'll see if we can break through that low. Come on. Give me something. Give me something good. Come on, baby. Creep back up. Creep back up just a bit. Creep back up just a bit. I'm going to sell. I'm going to sell if you creep back up just a bit. It dropped down. Oh, no. I bet. That's at a lower high on that one. It's coming back down big time. We might go bullish here in a sec. Hold on. We gotta wait. We're gonna have just a little bit of time doing this. All right, come on, baby, give me something good. Break back up. Break back up. All right, we got a little bit of trade. Here's your low. Here's your oh, here we go. See if it rejects this. Reject it. Reject it. Give me a red candle. Starting to reject. Reject there. No, it's going back up. It's breaking it. Oh, it's breaking it. It's breaking it. Come back down. Give me a higher low off this low. Give me a higher low. I'm buying this ish. Give me a higher low. Come on. Is that a higher low? These little dots are hard. Boom, I'm buying it. Let's go. Come on, baby. Give me some money. I need more than that. What is that? Give me more. Give me 50. Haha, 50. Let me buy 100 of these things. Guys, again, this is paper money. Who the hell would buy 100 Bitcoin on a second chart? Exactly. Not me. Yo, yo, yo. No, 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 no. Don't do this to me. Yeah. Better spin the wheel. Oh, I need to spin it. Up or down. Oh, maybe the wheel determines it. Oh, that's a good idea. We go up or down on this ish. I'll put stop down here. Yo, that's nothing. I need to buy more. I'm buying more. Oh, I got 100 on the board. My TP up here. What's up? Yeah, this is weak sauce. This is weak sauce. Yo, no. You bounce back. We're going to buy some more here. Good gosh. Give me something, baby. Give me something good. Give me something good. 1 second paper trading account to end the stream. Let's see what happens here on the 1 second chart. Again, this is 1 second chart. Who the hell would buy 150 Bitcoin on a 1 second chart? Exactly. Don't even. We have a little bit of time left on this stream, baby. We're now. We got this. We got this. We got this. Give me something. Give me something good, baby. This thing's moving slower than I thought on the 1 second. I figured it'd move real fast. Ayo. In the... Oh, we had it. Ayo. Oh, we're almost there. Come on. Give me the... Ayo. Ayo. Oh, baby. Here we go. Oh, baby. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. 5K. 5K in the bank. Come on. Should we trim? Should we trim? Should we trim? 2,700. 2,700. One trade wonders here. One trade wonders. So 1 second chart, guys. We're not going to... Ayo. Ayo. Hit it, baby. Cash us out. Come on. You kidding me? It's going to give me blue balls. It's teasing me now. Yo. No, this is going to piss me off. No. No, you gotta do that. You gotta break it out. Go. 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 No. You're kidding. Come on, 1 second chart. You're kidding. Yo. What? You're kidding. No, you go. You hit that. We ain't moving nothing. Hodl for days, baby. Hodl for days. You ain't doing nothing. You go. Hit it. Day 1. 1 second fake trading. No one in their right mind would buy 150 Bitcoins on the 1 second chart. This is not financial advice. For the 100th time. Come on, baby. Dude, I can't believe it's literally inches. It's inches from there. Go. Hit it. Cash in. Cash in. Cash in. All right. All right. Okay, we just made... on our $1 billion account, that's clearly real. We just made $5 grand. Congratulations, guys. That's our very first 1 second stream trade right there. That was beautiful. We took a very nice extra position there. Played it through the high. And that's where we're going to leave it for the day. Absolutely. That's where we're going to leave it for the day. We'll come back maybe. We'll see what happens. You know, the 1 second chart, guys. Again, buying 150 on a 1 second chart. What are we doing? What are we doing? What are we doing? The things I do for you guys. The things I do for you guys. If that was fun, we could do it again. We could see where we can take $1 billion paper trading account. Maybe win $1 billion. We need to buy more than that anyway. Oh, yes. Solana. That's what you... sorry, I do need to check that really quickly. Give me 1 sec. I think it broke down. Yeah, it never closed up over it. I'll keep an eye on that close, by the way. That close over 97.90 is what I want if I'm going to take a position on it. Okay, so we'll keep an eye on that. All right, really quickly, let me pull up the Wednesday winners. All right, so at the beginning of the stream, if you guys are new here, okay, at the beginning of the stream every single day, what we like to do is we like to ask you, what do you think the Bitcoin's price is going to be, more or less than the price at the beginning of the stream? You had a chance to add an extra 100 points to your profile, and dude, we're not that close. Had a chance to add an extra 100 points to your profile. If you were correct, you get an extra 100 points, like I just said 3 times. But again, the people that are the top 10 viewers at the end of the week, and you can tie for that 10th spot. You can be a tie, right? Top 10 viewers through the end of the week will get entered into a separate giveaway where you have a 1 in 10 chance versus a 105 or 1 in 500 chance, right? So when we do the $300 giveaway on Friday, we usually have roughly 500 entries. But the top 10 viewers will get entered in a 1 out of 10 giveaway, and you have a way better chance of winning. Okay, so make sure you tune in, make sure you chat, make sure you watch, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like. Everything adds up. Everything adds up to be able to be one of those top ranking people. All right, I'm gonna take the price point right now. We have 43,511. The price was 43,430 when we did the Q&A, when we did the predictions. So our winners here. First up is Gilla. You know what? I could probably give me a sec. That's what I'll do. Can I don't know if I could view. I gotta bring this. You guys can't see that. Give me a sec. Yeah. So sorry. Let me just take it. First up is Gilla. Gilla, you are a winner, my friend. Sorry, Toby, you lost. Sorry, Trade Up to Crypto, you lost. Moths are boneless. Oh, buddy, dude, he's gonna hit the ranks, baby. He was in the top 10. Moths are boneless hit with the winner. Sorted Cake with the winner. 10G with the winner. This is why I need to show you guys what these are. Oh, never mind. Silent 45 with the winner. Safa, who's our #1 viewer right now, hit another one. Safa's gonna be up over 200. Great work, Safa. Brad, sorry, my friend, you lost. Robert CS, sorry, my friend, you lost. He said less. Sorry, Gina Limbu, you lost. You lost. Wrong button. We got Tom Kit Loy with a winner. Fame with a loser. Let me see here. Hans with a loser. Dame, my boy. Finally, Dame. Good job, man. you got it. Dame with the winner, baby. Dame with the winner. Reaper, HP Reaper, Pub G up. He said up, so I guess that works. All right, he's a winner. Dare, you won, my friend. Alan, Aki, P. I don't know how you say that. You won, my friend. Ramesh, Thapa. I can't even pronounce these names. You guys have some crazy names. You won, my friend. Sortic Cake hit it twice. I'm sorry, Sortic. I take your first one. Millionaire Mindset. Sorry, my friend. You are not a millionaire today. You didn't get it right. My boy BK got it right. There he is. Ricardo Martinez, you got it right, my friend. You get 100 points added to your profile. Okay, well, that guy tried to put in it twice, but his first one was right, so I'm not gonna do that. I don't know. This guy didn't say more or less, so I'm gonna just delete that one. Brad, sorry, you already didn't get it. David Carthy, higher. He is correct. David, you get an extra 100 on your profile. Pete E2, Pete8 E2, you got it correct. Brad said yet again, different one. Brad, I already got you early. I'm sorry. You can't have 3 entries, my friend. And then Adeles came. You hit less. You lost. All right. We have just a few decent winners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 of you guys. With the win, you'll get an extra 100 points added to the thing. Looks like Moss are boneless and Dame and where are we at? Safa. Safa's going to be number 1 for sure. Safa back-to-back days, man. Killing it, Safa. But let me go back to the chat, guys. I wasn't reading about it. We said, what about me? Be surprised. I don't know. I don't think you entered, my friend. You have to enter at the beginning of the stream, so make sure you're here. Fam, you said recount. Fam, did you get one right this week? I can go back and look. But what is he saying? Only 50? What do you mean? We're not doing anything like that. I can tell you that. Those of you on Instagram asking about how you can participate, go to the YouTube live stream and make sure that you're there at the beginning of the stream. We stream every single day at 1 Eastern, okay? So at 1 Eastern, shortly after our intro, we make sure that we give you guys a chance to guess whether the price can be more or less on Bitcoin by the end of the stream. So you got to make sure you're in the YouTube chat to do that. But let me double check here. Yeah, and then you'll see your points collected at the top of the screen. You can't see it on the YouTube chat right now, but you can, or on the Instagram chat right now, you can see it at the top of the screen on the YouTube. So you'll be able to see your ranking there. Looks like Safa though. Safa's going to be leading us in the number 1 spot, but again, you have to be in the top 10 to be able to enter a separate giveaway. So thanks for tuning in, my friends. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Remember though, tomorrow, guess what? We have to hit the 100 likes if you want to do the giveaway on Friday. So come back to the stream. Got to hit the 100 likes. And yeah, go ahead and rewatch from the start if you want to. You can on YouTube. You can rewatch the stream. It's the only place you can rewatch it. But congrats to our winners today. Whoever guessed that Bitcoin would be more than the price at the beginning of the stream. Great job. Good guesses. Fantastic. Get another 100 points added to your name. And hopefully, at the end of the week, you'll be in the top 10 viewer list for that special giveaway. I'll keep you guys updated on that on Friday. But guys, lastly, join the Discord. It's completely free. It ain't no paid Discord crap. Join it. Completely free. Our boy Mickey that you see, our admin Mickey, is in there live streaming every morning as well, going over things related to the LuxAlgo indicators. If you have any questions about that, right? We made $5 on our 1 second Bitcoin chart. Absolutely insane on our $1 billion account, man, because we are, you know me, I'm a billionaire. But we'll try to do that again if you enjoyed it. No NFT scams here. I'm sorry. Or no, in the chat. Yeah, in the Discord now. There's not. But guys, if you want constant analysis throughout the day, similar to what we go over on stream, make sure to follow the Twitter. We're posting there every single day, nearly every hour. About to post news updates for you guys as well, to keep you in the loop. So make sure you follow Twitter at LuxAlgo. And make sure you hit that subscribe button on the YouTube. And guys, we'll see you Friday. We'll see you Thursday. Last chance to potentially have a giveaway on Friday. So just need to hit 100 likes tomorrow and we'll be in it. All right. Thanks for tuning in. And I will see you guys mañana. Stay safe out there. Remember, the trend is your friend. I love you all. I'm going to calculate your points, add them to your profile. So tomorrow you can see where you're at. And have a good evening. Stay safe. Don't over leverage yourself. Don't be dumb. Don't trade a 1 second chart like I just did. That was obviously a joke. But let's have some more fun tomorrow, guys. See you later. Jacob, out. If I can find the camera button. I'm going to keep talking until I turn my camera off. There we go. See you guys.